Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the second video of tutorial for this watch Casio DW291H. And in this video we will talk about the world time, alarm, timer and stopwatch. Anyway, if you want to know more the basic setting of this watch, the time and date settings, and also LCD check and so on, you can check our first video. I will put the link in the description. Also, if you want to know more about the review of this watch, I will put the link in the description. Okay, next we will move to the world time. So from this timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, and now we are in the world time. You can change or select the city by pressing the search button here, and it will move to the east side of the map or the right side of the map. Okay, and yeah, for example, this one is Lisbon. If you want to use the daylight saving for that city, you can also press and hold the adjust button. And now it's active for the daylight saving. If you want to deactivate, also the same button, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and now it's not active. And if you want to use that city as the active city for the timekeeping mode or T1 of the timekeeping mode, easy, just press the adjust and light button at the same time. So now it will be swapped or switched with the T1 in the timekeeping mode that I was setting as PKK. Now PKK become the time for the world time. And if I move to the timekeeping mode, now Lisbon is the active T1 city for the timekeeping mode. Okay, back to the world time. Now if I want to use PKK or Bangkok again as the active T1 city of the timekeeping mode, easy, press the adjust and light button at the same time. And now it returns to the timekeeping mode as T1. And for the world time, it is now Lisbon. Okay, and that's all for the world time. And then the next one is the alarm. So press the mode button. And now we are in the alarm mode. And for this watch, it has 5 alarms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is the hourly signal or hourly chime. So we will set for the alarm number 1. We can set as daily alarm or one-time alarm. And now let me show you if I want to use this as a daily alarm. So to do that or to set the time, press and hold the adjust button on the top left. Let's say I want to set as 5:30 in the morning. So this one is the hour. We can use the search button to increase and the light button to decrease. Okay, and then press the mode button to move to the next item, and that is the minute. Again, the search button to increase and light button to decrease. Okay, you can also press and hold the search button. Okay, now 5:30. Press again the mode button, and now is the selection, the alarm type. Is it going to be one-time alarm or daily alarm? So one meaning one-time alarm, and on only meaning this is daily alarm. And I want to use this as a morning alarm, daily alarm, so I will select on. And now we can press the adjust button to exit from the setting of the alarm number 1. Now let's move to the alarm number 2, and we will use the alarm number 2 as a one-time alarm. And in this example, let's say I want to set as 7 o'clock in the morning for the alarm number 2 as a one-time alarm. And to set like that, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and now the hour, let's change to become 7. Okay, and we will not set the minute, but okay, let's just press the mode button. So now the minute, if you want to change, you can change it by yourself. And press again the mode button, and now is the alarm type. So this is one-time alarm, and search button now is a daily alarm, but I will set as one-time alarm. Okay, like this, and done. Now I press the adjust button, and okay, now we have alarm number 2, 7 o'clock in the morning as a one-time alarm. Okay, the same thing for alarm number 3, 4, and 5. And then for this one, the hourly signal or hourly chime, you can activate using the adjust button on the top left. And if it is active, you will hear a beeping sound and free changing of the hour. And if you want to deactivate, also the same thing, press the adjust button. Okay, now let me press the mode button, and we are moving to the next one, and that is the timer or countdown timer. So for this one, you can set the length of the countdown timer by pressing the adjust button, press and hold, okay? And this one is the hour. You can use the search button to increase and light button to decrease. So the maximum is 24 hours. So if you want to use the timer for 24 hours, just set as 0 all of them. It will run for 24 hours. But if you want to set less than that, let's say 23 hours and so on, you can use you can set the time. So for example, this one, if I want to set as 10 minutes for the countdown timer, so this one is 0 for the hour, okay? And then press the mode button, and now is the minute. We will set as 10. So use the search button to increase and the light button to decrease. It's like the search button is for clockwise and light button for counterclockwise. Okay, now press again the mode button, and this is the second. If you want to change, you can also use the same thing, these two buttons, okay? And yes, done for the hour, minute and second for the setting of the countdown timer. And to exit from the setting of the adjustment of the length of the countdown timer, press the adjust button, and done. Now you can start the countdown timer by pressing the search button on the bottom right. And as it shows here, this is 1/10 of a second. This is the second minute and hour. Okay, and if you want to pause or stop the timer, press the search button. If you want to continue again, press again. And if you want to stop or pause again, press again the search button. And to reset, use this one, the adjust button on the top left. Okay. And that's all for the countdown timer. Anyway, for this timer, it has no auto repeat. So yes, it will only as a one-time countdown timer. Okay, next one is the stopwatch. Press the mode button from the timer mode. And now SDW stopwatch. And for this one, let me show you two usual ways to use the stopwatch. So first is the start-stop. Use the search button. So this one, start. Okay, and then you can use this button to stop or pause. Again, press again to continue. And press again to pause or stop. And then if you want to reset, use the adjust button on the top left. Okay. And now we will use the stopwatch for split time. And to do that, press the search button to start. Okay. And then you can use the adjust button on the top left to split. For example, this one. So now it's 6:16. And now the time is still running in the background. We can press again the adjust button to jump to the latest time of the stopwatch. So okay, already 16 seconds and so on. And if you want to use split time again, press again the adjust button. Okay. And yeah, you can press again the adjust button to jump to the latest time and so on. And then to stop or pause, use the search button. And if you want to reset, use the adjust button from this stop or pause position. Okay. And yeah, that's all for the stopwatch, for two of the most used function for the stopwatch. And done for the second video of tutorial for this watch, Casio DW291H. Anyway, if you have anything to add, just put in the comment below. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.